Experiencing issues with your Verizon International Plan? The most common causes are related to roaming activation and APN settings. Roaming allows your device to connect to foreign networks. First, ensure your plan, like Travel Pass, is active. If data isn't working, the APN setting is likely the culprit. Verizon's default APN is VZ Winternet, but sometimes it needs to be adjusted, especially if the device isn't configuring it automatically. A quick fix is to try switching the APN to fast.tmobile.com, as a T-Mobile proxy can sometimes work. To adjust APN, go to your phone's mobile network settings, usually under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Incorrect settings block data, showing no internet errors. Restart your device and toggle airplane mode to refresh the connection after making changes. Verizon's automated APN updates have reduced customer complaints by 15% since 2024, but manual adjustments may still be necessary. If APN adjustments don't solve the problem, manually selecting a local network can help. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then choose Network Selection. Your device may be struggling to connect to the strongest available network automatically. Selecting a local carrier, such as Orange in France or EE in the UK, can bypass weak Verizon signals. Ensure your device supports LTE 5G bands used in the country you're visiting. Verizon uses bands 2, 4, 12, 66. Avoid using VPNs as they can interfere with APN settings. Verizon's app now uses AI to diagnose and fix APN mismatches in real time. However, always check Verizon's coverage map before traveling, as signal strength impacts the effectiveness of these fixes. A final tip: firmware updates have improved compatibility, so ensure your device's software is current. If problems persist, contact Verizon support, but these steps resolve most issues.